Have you just received your shiny new Koho MasterCard and you're itching to start spending? But wait, there's one crucial step before you can unleash your card's power: activation. If you're scratching your head wondering how to do it, don't worry, you are not alone. Let's dive into the world of Koho and get that card activated. Building context. Koho has taken the financial world by storm with its innovative approach to banking. It's more than just a card, it's a financial tool designed to help you manage your money smarter. From earning cashback to building credit, Koho packs a punch. But before you can tap into these amazing features, you need to activate your card. The activation process. Now, let's get down to business. How do you actually activate this little piece of plastic magic? It's simpler than you think. Unbox your card. Start by taking your Koho MasterCard out of its envelope. Admire the sleek design and feel the excitement building. Check for a pin. Inside the envelope, you should find a temporary pin. This is your initial pin for the card. Keep it safe and handy. Download the Koho app. Head to your smartphone's app store and download the Koho app. It's your command center for managing your card and finances. Create an account. Open the app and follow the on-screen instructions to create your Koho account. You'll need your social security number or equivalent and some personal information. Activate your card. Once your account is set up, you should see an option to activate your card. Tap on it and follow the prompts. You might need to enter the last 4 digits of your card number and your temporary PIN. Set a new PIN. For security reasons, you'll be asked to create a new PIN for your card. Choose a strong PIN that's hard to guess. Verify your identity. Koho takes security seriously. You might need to verify your identity by taking a selfie or uploading a government-issued ID. Troubleshooting tips. Activation issues can be frustrating, but don't panic. Here are some common problems and solutions. Incorrect PIN. If you keep entering the wrong PIN, your card might get locked. You can usually unlock it through the app or by contacting Koho support. App glitches. Sometimes, app issues can prevent activation. Try closing the app and reopening it, or restarting your phone. Network problems. A poor internet connection can hinder the activation process. Make sure you have a stable connection. Additional tips. Keep your card safe. Protect your card information at all times. Avoid sharing your PIN with anyone. Monitor your spending. Use the Koho app to track your spending and budget effectively. Take advantage of rewards. Maximize your cashback earnings by using your Koho card for purchases. Conclusion. Activating your Koho MasterCard is the first step to unlocking a world of financial possibilities. By following these simple steps, you'll be well on your way to enjoying all the benefits that Koho offers. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.